Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Tuesday, April 28th, 2026. I hope you're having a great day. I just wanted to shoot a quick video and give you an update on the silver price and talk to you a little bit about my QuickSilver business opportunity. But before I get started, if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for 20 years now, full-time since 2018, and I enjoy helping others generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So with all that being said, when I checked silver about a half hour ago, the current spot price was 73.54, and so it's stabling out now. All right, it's not really going up higher or lower. I think it's finally, after the major pullback that it had from a few months ago when it was up to $120 an ounce, I think it's finally leveling off. And I think there's a lot of reasons to that. I think silver's reacting to inflation and interest rate expectations. Obviously, geopolitical risks, and then just the normal industrial demand for it. Like I talk about in all my videos, silver is just in high demand with all the the AI data centers being built, the electric vehicles, the solar panels, the medical industry, water purification systems. The list goes on and on. And as we talk about in my other videos, we know that when there's a finite supply of something and there's a huge demand for it, that increases the price, okay? And I do believe that the price is going to continue to go up. I think it's staying pretty steady right now between the $70 and $80 range, but for those reasons that I mentioned, geopolitical risk, oil prices are through the roof. I don't know where you are, but here in Maine, gasoline right now is about $4.30 a gallon. And we know that typically, not always, but typically when oil prices go up, silver tends to follow. So I think that over time, we're going to continue to see silver on an upward trajectory. And I think right now, just because of the interest rates and the inflation expectations, it just kind of chilling out. People are waiting to see what it does. But overall, I think it's going to continue to go up. I've even seen articles where some of these silver experts are still predicting that it could be in triple digits here by summertime. I don't know. I'm not an expert. I'm just sharing what I'm learning about silver and what I read about it. But I think it's at a good place, and I'm still stacking it. I don't really get into I don't check it all the time, and I'm not really obsessed with what the silver spot price is. I'm just continuously stacking silver because I have a long-term mindset when it comes to this, knowing that in the future, it's going to be worth a lot more than it is today. And it's going to be, we'll have new record highs that go past the $120 an ounce mark, in my opinion. And so that's why I'm doing it. I'm doing this for long term. And I work with a company called QuickSilver that allows you to set up an auto wealth delivery where you can have silver sent to your doorstep on autopilot every single month, so you don't even have to think about it. Okay? And that's what I've been doing for a couple of years now. And the cool thing is that there's a business opportunity attached to this where you can start your own precious metals business for less than $10 a month and share it with other people. And when you earn commissions, you can use those commissions to buy and stack more silver. And that's what I've been doing. So I've literally been stacking free silver now for a couple of years because I'm involved in the QuickSilver business opportunity side of this. Now, you can just come in and be a regular customer, and that's fine. If you're not interested in partaking in the business side of it. But if you want to be in the business side of it, you can do so, start your own precious metals business, and then share the opportunity with other people. And actually, I just hit level 15 in the company, so I'm super excited about that. I've been doing this a long time now, or a couple of years now. We have a really nice team going on, and it's just fun to see everybody succeeding. And I talked to another one of my fellow QuickSilver Wealth ambassadors today, and he said that he had a couple of people on his team who advanced as well, And so it's nice to see everybody, you know, people are starting to pay attention to silver and the real value that silver has. And the fact that it, you know, it's a hedge against inflation. It protects your purchasing power because the dollar bill is weak, right? I mean, the Feds just keep printing more and more money backed by nothing. And it's a tangible asset that has real value, all right? They're real assets. And, you know, that's why I like the company, the transparent owners. They've been in business for a long time now, and I've never had any issues. So that's what I'm doing. And I'll leave a link down below this video that you can check out. Take a tour. You get a free silver bar sent to your door. You just pay a nominal shipping fee, and you can reach out to me if you have any questions. So that's the scoop on silver today. I hope everyone's having a great day. I'm here packing up some soap orders, and then I got some other work I need to do, and then I'll be mailing out a whole bunch of direct mail today for my QuickSilver business opportunity. So that's it for this video. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you find value in this video, please consider giving me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. I appreciate you all, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. So until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.